let me tell you about my hometown. It's a small town nestled in the countryside, surrounded by lush green fields and rolling hills. The town is called Green Valley, and it truly lives up to its name with its picturesque landscapes. One of the things I love most about Green Valley is its sense of community. Everyone knows each other, and there's a strong bond among the residents. We often gather for community events like fairs and picnics, where families come together to enjoy good food and company. Green Valley has a rich history dating back to the early settlers who first established the town. You can see remnants of this history in the old buildings and landmarks scattered throughout the area. One of the oldest buildings is the Town Hall, a beautiful structure with Victorian architecture that stands as a testament to our town's heritage. Nature is also a big part of life in Green Valley. We have several parks and nature reserves where people go for walks, hikes, and picnics. One of my favorite spots is Willow Lake Park, where you can relax by the tranquil lake or take a boat out for fishing. The town center is bustling with quaint shops and cafes. You'll find everything from locally made crafts to delicious homemade pastries. One of the best things about living here is the sense of simplicity and charm that permeates every aspect of daily life. Our schools are small but nurturing, with dedicated teachers who care about the success of their students. I have fond memories of growing up here, playing in the fields with my friends and exploring the hidden gems of our town. Overall, Green Valley may be small, but it has a big heart. It's a place where people come together, where nature thrives, and where the simple joys of life are cherished. I feel lucky to call it my hometown.